Hi everyone, Theresa the AI Quilter here. Let's get real about what AI isn't good at. I hear this a lot. I asked AI to create a quilt pattern and it was terrible. Well, here's the thing. AI isn't a master quilter. It doesn't understand the nuance of sewing techniques, the flow of a design, or even the practicality of cutting and piecing fabric. Think about it this way. Just like you wouldn't use a seam ripper to stitch up a quilt, you wouldn't rely on AI for tasks that require hands-on expertise or detailed craftsmanship. For example, AI might generate a pattern that looks cool on a screen, but doesn't translate to real-world fabric and piecing. That's because it doesn't understand things like seam allowance or how fabrics might interact. AI is a helper, but not a do-it-all solution. Use it to brainstorm ideas, use some of them to test color palettes, or even to help you write a creative story about your quilt. But for the actual quilting, that's where your skills shine. Ready to dive deeper in the AI quilting community? Click subscribe and join the journey.